Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A54s, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me it is on the second page, but if you haven't edited the toggles, I believe it should be like right here instead of this. So anyway, once you locate it the first time around, I recommend holding it just because this is a quick way to access the settings. And from here on, select the personal hotspot settings and start off by changing the password. As you can see, by default it is just some randomly generated one, so we can remove it and set our own. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. And that's primarily all I recommend changing, so just tap on a check mark to save it, and from here we can enable our hotspot whenever we want to utilize it by tapping on it. So right now it is running. Once you're done with it, you can tap on the toggle once again to turn it off. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.